Was your Instagram account suddenly banned, leaving you locked out of your online community? Don't panic. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of appealing your Instagram ban and hopefully recovering your account. Step 1. Navigate to Instagram's Help Center while logged out. Search for Instagram Help Center online. Once on the Help Center page, use the search bar to type in Account Disabled or Appeal Account Ban. This will help you find the most relevant support articles. Step 2. Locate the official appeal form. Look for a link that specifically addresses disabled accounts and provides a way to submit an appeal. It might be labeled something like, "My Instagram account has been disabled." Step 3. Fill out the appeal form accurately. This is crucial. You'll need your Instagram username, the email address and phone number associated with your account, and a detailed explanation of why you believe your account was banned in error. Be honest and specific in your explanation. If you accidentally violated a policy, acknowledge it and explain how you will prevent it from happening again. Emphasize your past positive engagement and commitment to following Instagram's community guidelines. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Once you've meticulously filled out all the fields and provided a clear explanation, hit that submit button. Step 5. Be patient and monitor your email after submitting. You'll likely receive an email confirming your appeal has been received. Instagram will review your case, and this can take some time. Keep checking the email address you provided for any updates from Instagram. They may ask for further information or confirmation. If your appeal is successful, you'll receive instructions on how to regain access to your account. Congratulations on navigating this process and hopefully reclaiming your online presence and community. Remember, understanding and adhering to Instagram's policies is key to maintaining a stable account.